Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of doing this flower. We're going to do it a little bit differently. We're going to add another layer. So let's see how big this thing is. It's less than 9, so we'll set our nudge factor on 9. We're going to take this item, and if you didn't watch part 1, you really need to watch it. We're going to go to Effect, Contour. We're going to contour to the inside, 2 steps, 0.003. Really, it's easier to change your color to black and then contour in red than to change the contour color. And in the previous video, I said it was going to be a 3-part, and we've contoured to the outside and the inside, and we haven't really lost anything. But we're going to add a little bit to this, so we're going to go to Object and break the contour apart, and then grab that outer contour and move it down. And this is should be our bigger one. Then we're going to grab this, and you've got to go to Object and Group and Ungroup. And then we're going to take the other one. And it's kind of hard to tell which one's which. I always do it by measurement. If you look, this one looks thinner, so it's 1855.6. This one's 18.6. This one is 18.67. So it's just a little bit bigger. So there's our 3 colors. Now, and they're actually in order of what we want to do. And the only downside in this, these pieces are really thin. So you really need to kind of look, that piece is going to be really fragile. You could possibly even move that a little bit and play around with it. Not going to really change too much, but check all your leaves. So we're going to make the smallest color yellow. We're going to go and make the next color just blue just so they kind of stand off. And then we're going to make the next color green. And we can fill those in. So those are our 3 colors. If I nudge this one up and put it to the back of the page, now our green should show up on the outside just a little bit. If we take the yellow and nudge it down, it's hidden, but we can go to Object, Order, Front of Page, and now we've got 3 colors. So we're going to add still a little bit of embellishment. We're going to do this, and we're going to go up to Object, and we're going to break the curve apart, and then our border actually increase. We can make a border that, and I'll show you that. So we're going to make this let's make it this light pink. But before that, I'm going to make a duplicate and move it up. And then I'm going to move that one over. I'm going to go to Object, Order, Back of Page. And you see now this is 4 layers where we're going to add another one. We're going to take this one, and I always do it without any fill. So now I'm going to go to the outside, just 1 step, and I'm going to up it up a little bit and go like 0.05, make it a little bit bigger. Go up to Object, break the contour apart, grab. So we know with the red one is the thicker one, so we can delete that. We're going to take that and move it up, and we're going to make this as burnt orange. We're going to go ahead and go to Object, Order, Back of Page, and then when we put it over there, it's kind of a waste of wood, but now you've got a completely different color. So now you've got the back color, the very back color is going to show up on the edge. Then you've got a green, blue, yellow, and then the purple is the other layer. It's a really cool process and pretty fun to put together. It's a little bit hard to glue it perfectly. I'm going to make a part 3 to show you how to hopefully glue this together a little bit better. No, I'm not, because we got too many layers. You're just gonna have to lay them on. If they were all the same on the outside, you could make a glue board with joints. And I am gonna make number 3, but it will not help you except for well, it really won't help you. But if you didn't have this one color, it could help you quite a bit. Anyway, kind of a fun project. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.